Hello everyone, my name is Manika Srivastav. I am the student of MCOM Applied Economics Department, Semester 3. Today I will be discussing with you the topic of price movement under various Prime Ministers. I would like to tell you all about the measures which have been implemented and taken by our previous Prime Ministers along with our current Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Damodar Das Modi ji. Before him, there were 16 Prime Ministers who were appointed after independence. All of them have taken many steps for the development of the nation in many fields along with economy. They have contributed in the development, but there were some of the Prime Ministers who have done a lot in the economic field. One of them is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who was the very first Prime Minister of our country. He introduced 5-year plan under his Prime Ministership. It was launched in the year 1951. The first 5-year plan in India, which was implemented in 1951 to 1956, and it was focused primarily on the development of the country's industrial and agricultural sectors. During this period, the Indian economy experienced significant changes, including price movements influenced by various factors. Inflationary pressure, the plan led to increased government expenditures on development projects, which contributed to the inflation. The emphasis on industrialization and infrastructural development created higher demand for goods and service, leading to price rise. Food prices, the agricultural sector saw some improvement due to increased investments and the introduction of modern techniques. However, production challenges and the impact of weather on crops led to the fluctuation in food prices. Consumer goods, the demand for consumer goods increased due to urbanization and rising incomes. However, production was often unable to keep resulting in higher prices for essential commodities. The second 5-year plan, 1956 to 61 in India, focused on rapid industrialization and economic development. During this period, several factors contributed to price changes, leading to what is often referred to as price revolution. Some of the key points regarding their phenomenon are inflation. The aggressive push for industrialization along with the emphasis on heavy industries led to inflationary pressures. The increase in demand for industrial goods and services outstripped supply, contributing to rising pricing. Impact of living standard. The rise in prices negatively affected the living standards of the common people, particularly the rural poor, who were already struggling with low incomes. Increase in food prices made it difficult for them to afford basic necessities. The third 5-year plan, that is 1961 to 66 in India, aimed at making the economy self-reliant and achieving self-sustained growth. It experienced a significant price movement. The causes for the price movement are agricultural crisis. The plan period witnessed 2 consecutive droughts in 1965 and 66, leading to a sharp decline in agricultural production. The scarcity of food grains pushed price upward. Deficit financing. The government relied heavily on deficit financing to fund the plan, which injected more money into the economy without a corresponding increase in goods, thus inflation. Price movement during Indira Gandhi's time generally refers to the period of significant inflation and rising pricing in India, particularly during the 1970s. Several factors contributed to this economic situation. They are explained below. Global oil crisis, which happened in 1973. The oil shock of 1973, triggered by the OPEC embargo, led to a steep rise in oil prices globally. Government measures. The government attempted several measures to control prices and manage the economy. This included price controls, rationing, and efforts to increase agricultural production through initiatives like Green Revolution. Long-term effects. The price movement and the economic challenges of the 1970s had long-lasting effects on India's economic policies. The difficulties of this period contributed to a shift in economic thinking, leading to more significant reforms in 1980s and 1990s, which opened up the Indian economy and moved away from the heavily regulated framework that existed during Indira Gandhi's tenure. Atal Bihari Vajpayee's tenure as the Prime Minister, that is 1998 to 2004, India experienced significant economic reforms and shifts. Though it wasn't marked by a price movement in the strict historical sense, however, his period saw notable changes in the price levels due to a variety of domestic and global factors. Inflation control. During Vajpayee's time, inflation was relatively moderate, though it fluctuated due to factors like oil prices volatility. Between 1998 and 2004, inflation rates ranged between 3% and 8%. This government took steps to control inflation, especially through fiscal discipline and reforms in the agricultural and industrial sectors. Global oil prices. One of the main drivers of inflation during Vajpayee's tenure was the rise in global crude oil prices. The Kargil war in 1999 and the 2001 global economic slowdown post the 9/11 attack also impacted oil prices. The price movement during Manmohan Singh's tenure as the Indian Finance Minister and later as Prime Minister refers to a significant economic reforms and changes that had a major impact on India's economy, particularly in terms of inflation, pricing and liberalization. Economic liberalization. In 1991, when Manmohan Singh was appointed as Finance Minister in the Narasimha Rao government, India faced a severe BOP crisis, that is, balance of payment crisis. To address this, Singh introduced wide-ranging reforms, liberalizing the Indian economy, which included dismantling the license Raj, reducing import tariffs and deregulating many industries. Fuel prices. One of the notable price-related challenges was fuel pricing. The government decision to partially deregulate fuel prices along with the rising global crude oil prices led to significant hikes in domestic fuel prices. Our current Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi's tenure refers to the significant changes in inflation rates, commodity prices and overall economic factors that affects prices. His tenure, which began in 2014, has seen fluctuations in price levels due to various domestic and global factors. Some of the key points related to the price movement are defined below. Petroleum prices. It has been a major concern during Modi ji's tenure. Despite a sharp fall in global crude oil prices in 2014 to 16, the prices of petrol and diesel remained high due to excise duty hikes by the government. Demonetization impact. The sudden demonetization of rupees 500 and rupees 1000 currency notes in November 2016 led to a liquidity crunch, temporarily reducing demand and affecting small businesses. This also had a short-term impact on prices, especially in informal markets where cash transactions dominate. Government tried various fiscal measures, including subsidies and tax relief, to control inflation. Thank you.